So welcome to the session on Kurdish culture, and we have here the poster of an A to Z of Kurdology. Now, I worked on this poster when I was working for a Norwegian oil company here in Kurdistan, and I just realized that a lot of expats didn't know very much about Kurdish culture. They're generally working well with local people, but it just seemed like a good way to help people to understand something of the household names that there are in Kurdistan. Now, we're a consultancy firm, Foundations, and that means that we help people to learn language and culture so they can be more effective here in the Kurdistan region. But most expat professionals never learn a substantial amount of the local language. They operate quite effectively in English. But those who do learn how the nationals think are in a far better position to work well with them and to earn their respect.
Yeah.
So we're going to produce this series of videos taking you through this poster from A to Z, starting with Kurdistan's Shakespeare, Ahmed Khani, or Ahmedi Khani, as they call it. All the way from A to Z, Zembil Furush, the basket seller, the legendary basket seller, who there was a princess who was infatuated with this humble basket seller, and there's a song about her love for him, and he resists her advances. But it's anyway, it's just a part of Kurdish culture. We'll come on to the Zembil Furush at the end. So yeah, we hope that you find these interesting. We've kind of given it the subtitle of gives you something to talk about at the canteen. So I hope you enjoy the poster and that it stimulates some interesting discussion about the things that really make the Kurds who they are. There's history, there's politics, there's music, there's a bit of football in this series. So let us know how we can improve it, but we hope that it will be helpful and enjoyable.